Hello everyone and welcome to the DEK Designs Mystery Kit Loop. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out how I'm going to be using the February mystery kit in my planner. Today I'm going to be using my planner that is the Work and Life Happy Planner. After watching my video, make sure to look in my description and click on the next person in the loop that I tagged. I tagged Cheyenne Wright, and her for YouTube is Right Place Plans. So if you go in my description, you're able to click her link and then just go to her page, and her newest video is the video that's in this loop. And then you'll continue to do so to follow the loop and see how everyone else used the mystery kit in their planners or journals. We do have mystery kit spots that are now open for our March mystery kit. And if you like the vibe of the mystery kit that I'm going to show you that we have for February, make sure to go into the description below and click onto our website to see more information about our mystery kit, and you can sign up as well too to subscribe to it. Every month you will get a mystery kit. You'll have no idea like what it's going to be like, the theme, the art. The art style is usually consistent. However, we have a playlist on our YouTube channel that shows our past mystery kits if you want to kind of see what those look like, to see if you would like something along those lines as a subscription. If you have any questions about the mystery kit, don't hesitate to drop them down below, and also let me know what you think of February's mystery kit. Again, after this video, make sure to look in the description to follow the loop. So first I'm going to show you what the kit looks like, and then I'm going to jump ahead and show you how I spread it out in my planner. So the mystery kit comes with a sticker kit and then also a mystery bonus item. So this is the February mystery kit. The bonus item at the top you can see is clear overlay foil accents that go really well with the kit. And then we have the kit. Dawn worked so hard on this mystery kit. It's so fun too. So if we look closer, we can see definitely the theme of this kit is more of St. Patrick's Day themed. We have the gold foil on it, and we have watercolor greens and gold colors. We have some cute foil accents as well on these full boxes. Lucky Charm, that very cute rainbow. Pinch proof. I think that's funny. Some teacups. Then we have the washi page and the days of the week. The two bonus full boxes. So this is actually a scene right here, and it's so pretty. It's like a garden scene with some birds taking flight and some beautiful flowers at the bottom. Our heart date dots, weekend script banner, some thinner washi, some boxes, functional boxes, the headers and glitter headers, and then the deco page. I just love the tone of the green on this kit. It's so like earthy and relaxing, I feel like. And then the last page, we have the full boxes for the fashion girls, and then we have the icons to the left. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in my spread for the week, and it'll fast forward to me being done, and I'll kind of show you how I use the kit for the mystery kit. Excuse my shaky hand, but this is a close-up of my spread. I just wanted you to see the foil, and look how good the rings look on my planner with this kit too. So gorgeous. Okay, so this is my final spread using the February Mystery Kit. And I put this in the first full week of March in my planner. And I love how there's just so much going on and it looks so cohesive together and so fun. And I still have like a ton of stickers left from using just for just a week. Like, look how many stickers are left. So you definitely get like a lot of stickers for the subscription, and you can definitely use the extra stickers for maybe your dashboard or for the next week. So there's like a lot of different things that can be done. If you have like a junk journal that you do stickers in, or a second planner, you definitely get your money's worth with the subscription. And also the artwork for the mystery subscription is exclusive, so it's only available for the subscription. So like, unfortunately, if you see like a kit that you really like that was in our subscription, it's not going to be available in our shop for at least 2 years, I believe. I'd have to look back at our graphic, but yeah, so if you don't want to miss out on the next month's subscription, check the link below and subscribe for the March subscription, mystery subscription. What do you think of the spread? I really find that I love to cover the black line dividers. Like, this is probably one of my favorite sticker accents that we have, is the divider bow with the glitter foil on it. I love using those. I sprinkled those gold overlay, the extra goodie that was included in the subscription, on this week. And it makes the spread look so elegant, and it really ties it in together. And the deco too, it just all comes together so perfect. So over here I have kind of like my dashboard, so I like to put full boxes on my dashboard, and then the Monday through Sunday box, so whatever I'm wanting to track for that week. So for this week I'm going to be tracking food, like what dinner I'm going to be eating. And I just so happen to have like a little cupcake deco sticker, so I decided to put it next to that. And then for the days, I go back and forth between using the bow checkmark boxes and then the circle checkmark flags, just to kind of keep it more dynamic, so it's back and forth kind of thing. For this spread, I didn't use the headers that much. I did use the glitter headers, so it just kind of depends on like the mood for that week, what I'm wanting to use. And then I like to use the flags too, to like flag down like maybe what happened that day. I have that movie sticker over here on the Sunday, because that's usually the days where I watch my shows or stuff like that with my fiance. So let me know what you think of this spread. Any questions, comment them below, or thoughts. And then in my description, click the next person in the loop so that you can see how they use the sticker kit in their planner or their journal, and see how their style may be a bit different. Thank you so much for stopping by, everyone.